Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jen. And kamusta? I hope you're doing great. And if you haven't done so, please click the red subscribe button down below so that you can be subscribed to my channel. On this video, I will just do a little unboxing of this Louis Vuitton beauty. This is not actually for me, but for my husband because this is a birthday gift. His birthday is nearly approaching and I got him this gift. This gift is an SLG, which stands for small leather goods. Ito yung mga malilit na leather things ng Louis Vuitton aside from the bags and the luggages. Yun yung mga big leather goods. But they call it SLGs for the small leather goods. I got this in particular because it is I think the best SLG out there, because later I will discuss that after the unboxing. So this is the paper bag. This is the new paper bag that Louis Vuitton come up. Then it has the box. So it's very small. And it also comes with the orange receipt. So this one is the envelope which has the receipt. So this is from here in the Philippines. I got it in Greenbelt. So this is the box, which is super cute. And yeah, so this is a pull tab. So you just pull it and it has the dust bag already. So it is this small. So there, I'll open it. Ta-da! So this is the Louis Vuitton 6 keyring holder in damier print, but damier graphite print, which is the black one with a silver hardware. So button siya, so it's like that. So this one is made in France. And this is color black. Actually, ginamit na to ng husband ko because he's very excited. So, na-share ko na before that if he owns things, he actually wanted to use right away. So, he's excited to put things here. So, these are our keys. So, he put 4 keys. Actually, this is 6 keyring holder. And it can fit 6, but we only have 4 keys. So, we took out the 2 excess key holders so that hindi masyado bulky. So, paano ba to ginagamit? So, kailangan mo lang siya i-pull back and then slide. So, yan. So, makukuha mo na yung keys from there. So, very convenient siya and very secure yung keys mo. So, and then, pag narinig mo yung click, it means na secured na siya. So, that's the click. Yeah. So, this is just one continuous canvas. And then, this is the interior. Wala siyang hat stamping or whatever. Just plain canvas. And at the back, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng stuffs like cards or calling cards, business cards. We actually placed his business card inside so that if ever this has been lost, yung makakita can hopefully return it back to us. So, we don't want it to be lost, but just in case, just for emergency. So, that is it. So, ang very special about this 6 key ring holder is that it serves in 2 ways. It protects your keys and at the same time, it protects your bag also. So, if you put this in your bag, it protects it from your other stuffs inside the bag. For example, you have your eyeglasses, so hindi matatama yung keys mo with your eyeglasses. So that is it. That's the special thing about this. And I actually also have the same thing, but I have the monogram print. So we are matchy-matchy, and I also have the 6 keyring holder. The monogram pin has a brown interior. I already have stamped it in letter J. This is also made in France. So I have my business cards at the back. So you can put some IDs or credit cards at the back. So I only have 3 keys inside. And then I use the 4th one as a charm. So nakaangat lang siya na ganyan. So I know that this is a very expensive key holder as a key holder, but you know, it's very worth it kasi okay, I can share probably how much it is. I'm not boasting how much it is, but for reference, this is 12,800 in peso, Philippine peso. So it's very expensive for a key holder just to hold your keys, diba? But you know what, this is more than a year old. And I think it's very sulit na kasi I know that this key ring holder will last me for a very long time, probably my lifetime, and it will still look nice and it will serve its purpose for me. I actually had key ring holders with leather talaga. Leather din naman yung itsura niya. Pero 1 year pa lang, bitak-bitak na yung leather, alam mo yun, na hindi siya sulit kasi madali siyang nasisira. So with this, we are very happy with the 6 keyring holder. That's why I think this is the best SLG out there. Aside from wallet probably, kasi wallet is also a basic need. So I really like this 6 keyring holder. If you happen to have a chance to own one, I highly recommend it. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and until the very next time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.